Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on the latest tech career tips. Today, we're diving into the fastest way to land a tech job in 2024. Let's get started. First, let's understand the current job market. The tech industry is booming, and companies are constantly looking for skilled professionals. But competition is fierce. So, what's the fastest way to get hired? Step 1. Identify the in-demand skills. In 2024, some of the hottest skills include artificial intelligence and machine learning, cloud computing, cybersecurity, data science and analytics, and full-stack development. Research job postings to see which skills are most sought after in your desired role. Next, upskill yourself. Platforms like Coursera, Udacity, and LinkedIn Learning offer courses in these areas. Many of these courses are taught by industry experts and can be completed at your own pace. Step 3. Build a strong portfolio. Practical experience is key. Work on real-world projects, contribute to open-source projects, or even create your own projects. Showcase your skills on platforms like GitHub or create a personal website to highlight your work. Networking is crucial. Attend industry conferences, meetups, and webinars. Connect with professionals on LinkedIn. Don't just send connection requests, engage with their content, join relevant groups, and participate in discussions. Next, tailor your resume for each job application. Highlight your relevant skills and experience. Use keywords from the job description. And remember, quality over quantity. Apply strategically to positions that align with your skills and career goals. Let's talk about how CVs are screened. Most companies use applicant tracking systems, ATS, to filter applications. Make sure your resume is ATS-friendly by using simple formatting, relevant keywords, and avoiding images or graphics. This increases the chance of your resume getting seen by a human recruiter. Prepare for interviews by practicing common questions and coding challenges. Platforms like LeetCode and HackerRank are great for this. Also, prepare questions to ask the interview to show your interest in the role and company. Rejection is part of the process. If you don't get the job, ask for feedback and learn from it. Every failure is a step towards success. Stay positive, keep improving, and don't give up. Finally, keep developing your skills. The tech industry evolves rapidly, so continuous learning is essential. Follow tech blogs, take advanced courses, and stay updated with the latest trends and technologies. And there you have it! The fastest way to land a tech job in 2024. Focus on in-demand skills, build a strong portfolio, network effectively, tailor your applications, prepare thoroughly for interviews, understand how CVs are screened, handle failures positively, and keep developing your skills. Good luck! If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech career tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.